Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today this video is special for me because today I'm gonna redraw one of my sketch, like one of my drawing that I have done before, and today I'm gonna redraw it because I'm seeing that I have improved a lot from the beginning, and now I have improved a lot. So now I wanna see that how much I have done it, and now I wanna do it again, and I wanna see how it looks like. And yeah, so this is a picture that I'm gonna redraw. If you see this picture, this drawing, it has so many wrong things, like it doesn't have anything. There are so many things happening wrong here, and right now that I'm understanding little by little everything about drawings. So now I'm gonna try my all the things that I have learned till now to redraw this drawing in today's date. So let's start. But before that, if you love to watch art related videos, painting related videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start the redrawing. So my redrawing process is done. So this is how it looks like now. This is what I have learned these days, like from the first video to this video. Like every day I'm improving, every day whatever I'm drawing, every day whatever I'm practicing, I'm improving. So I will suggest you that you should do it. I mean, just practice, okay? It will be fine and you will be able to draw, so don't worry. So here's my picture, the photo that I have done today, the redrawing. So maybe you can see the difference between both. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.